Welcome back to Motor Future. The 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 is here, and it's more than just an update, it's a full-blown evolution. For riders who crave power, agility, and competition-grade performance, this is Kawasaki's most refined off-road machine yet. In today's episode on Motor Future, we're diving deep into everything the new KX 450 brings to the dirt, from its redesigned chassis to engine upgrades, rider-focused features, and why this beast could dominate the motocross scene in 2025 and beyond. Let's kick things off with what makes this bike stand out the moment you look at it. The KX 450 has always been known for its aggressive, race-ready aesthetics, and the 2025 model keeps that legacy alive while refining the bodywork for function. Kawasaki's engineers worked hard to give it slimmer shrouds, a flatter seat, and an overall narrower profile. Why? Because it lets the rider move around more freely, especially during sharp transitions and aggressive cornering. The ergonomics feel dialed in for professionals and serious amateurs alike, giving you that direct connection to the bike as soon as you swing a leg over. Underneath that aggressive styling lies a brand new aluminum perimeter frame that's been completely redesigned for better flex characteristics. It's lighter, more agile, and delivers enhanced front-end feel. This translates to increased confidence when taking on tight turns or uneven tracks at high speed. Riders will immediately notice the balance and precision that the new frame geometry offers, especially in combination with the updated suspension setup. Speaking of suspension, Kawasaki didn't hold back here either. The 2025 KX 450 comes equipped with the latest Showa 49mm coil spring front forks featuring A-kit technology. These are high-performance components typically reserved for factory race bikes. The forks offer excellent adjustability and absorb even the harshest hits with composure. At the rear, the Unitrack linkage system works seamlessly with the Showa shock to deliver a plush, planted feel no matter how rough the terrain gets. Whether you're sending it over a massive jump or landing into braking bumps, the KX 450 remains composed and confidence-inspiring. Now let's talk about the heart of the machine, the engine. Kawasaki's 449 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, four-stroke engine has seen subtle but meaningful refinements for 2025. It's still a powerhouse, known for its strong mid-range punch and top-end scream, but it's smoother and more responsive now. Engineers optimized the intake path and updated the ECU mapping, giving riders better throttle control and more usable power across the rev range. Whether you're accelerating out of corners or launching down a straight, the power delivery is predictable, strong, and race-ready. But what's really new for 2025 is the integration of Kawasaki's Rideology and smartphone connectivity. For the first time, the KX 450 comes equipped with Bluetooth capability through the Rideology the app KX. Riders can now fine-tune their engine mapping straight from their smartphone. Whether you want more low-end grunt or prefer a smoother throttle at the top, it's all customizable without plugging into a laptop or visiting a mechanic. This tech-focused leap makes the 2025 KX 450 one of the most adaptable bikes on the market today. Another standout feature is the new switchable map selector and traction control. Riders can toggle between two engine maps on the fly, allowing you to adjust performance based on track conditions. Wet and slippery. Engage traction control and map 2. Need full power for a dry, fast track? Flip back to map 1 and let it rip. This level of flexibility, combined with the new bar-mounted launch control system, makes race starts and tricky track transitions far easier to manage. Kawasaki has also paid close attention to the brakes and wheels. You get a powerful 270mm front disc with a pedal design, which offers excellent heat dissipation and consistent stopping power. The rear uses a 250mm disc, perfectly balanced to prevent lockups and skidding on tight turns. Both are mounted on lightweight black DID Dirtstar wheels wrapped in Dunlop MX-34 tires, which are known for their outstanding grip and durability. These components round out the KX 450's competition-level spec list. Let's not forget rider comfort and durability. The 2025 model retains Kawasaki's acclaimed ERGO-Fit system, which allows you to adjust the handlebar and footpeg positions to suit your height and riding style. The seat is flatter and grippier, improving rider control during intense sessions. Plus, all key components are built to withstand the punishing demands of motocross racing, from reinforced subframes to upgraded chain guides and skid plates. Now, on to one of the biggest considerations: price. The 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 comes in at approximately $10,699. That positions it competitively against other flagship 450 motocross bikes, especially when you consider the high-end suspension, the powertrain improvements, and the new tech integrations. For riders looking to gain every possible edge on the track, the KX 450 is easily worth every dollar. What sets the 2025 KX 450 apart isn't just one feature, it's the complete package. Kawasaki has managed to blend raw performance, cutting-edge technology, and rider-focused design into a bike that doesn't just participate in the race, it leads it. Whether you're chasing a championship or carving your local track, this machine is built to give you the confidence to go faster, harder, and further. So, is the 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 the best motocross bike on the market right now? For riders looking for a razor-sharp tool packed with power, adjustability, and racing DNA, it just might be. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new updates. Have you had a chance to ride one yet? What's your dream motocross bike in 2025? Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and stay tuned for more content from Motor Future, where the future of two wheels comes alive.